So you can see here, this is a full section of the fence done. I just wanted you to be able to see what it looks like, and it does stay up pretty well by itself there. It is pretty sturdy standing there by itself. So here I have on my garage floor 2 frames that are put together. They're interconnected, of course, and they're laying there so I can be able to put down the pickets with the Velcro. So here I just wanted you to see how it looks. I got the boards on there. They're all sticking rather well with the Velcro. Looks great. So this is a close-up, and this is how I space these two, and I have other sections that I space differently, but I just wanted you guys to see that. This is the update. So thank you, like and subscribe, and wish you good luck on your project.